You want 3 shots?
Happy Easter! Justine, say Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
1, 2, 3.
It is officially Easter Sunday, and on Easter Sunday, our family feasts all day long. Mainly because we give up meat for 40 days. And I'm going to take you with us as we eat all day long. I'm also going to be making the Nook Mama chicken wings as well. For our breakfast, we are having eggs and bacon. We have this every single year for Easter breakfast.
Shout out Jordan.
Hi Jordan, sorry Jordan. And then we also have banh mi sandwiches. So I'll show you in a second. Let us eat. Mango, you want some bacon? I eat it like this. Yes. Put the bacon, put the egg on top, and eat it like that. Cheers. First piece of meat. Salty deliciousness. Yummy. Jordan, leave a comment below what you ate for Easter.
Is he at Beaumont, Houston?
You didn't know.
No, this is not my cell phone. My mom thinks it's my cell phone and I'm talking to Jordan. Next up, I made a mini banh mi sandwich. I actually really like banh mi sandwiches only at home because we can put as much rao and stuff as we want. And inside it's pork belly, cilantro, cucumbers, and daikon, and carrots. So good. No. Only missing jalapenos. Okay, no time to waste here. Jenna's already made her next set of breakfast for tomorrow with her bacon and eggs, and I'm making for lunch the Nook Mama salt and pepper chicken wings, which I already made a video of this, so I'll like do a little taggy thingy, but I'll just make it together while I talk about what we're gonna be eating later. So today we're actually celebrating all the April birthdays because since Lent was during April, we couldn't eat or feast or have any like really good food. So today we're celebrating Christine's birthday, Dave's birthday, Angelina's birthday, and my sister Tran's birthday. She's over there. For Lent, she gave up eating. Eating. She literally only had one meal a day, which is absolutely insane. I couldn't do that. I don't know if I can talk and do this at the same time, but yeah. Tonight we are having a Korean barbecue. And I will show you how I make my green onion salad because everyone really likes it when I make that one. So the only other difference from the Nook Mama recipe that I do is I add this umami seasoning blend from Trader Joe's. Honestly, I add this to everything. How do you want me to put it in the refrigerator? My mom has tested out other Nook Mamas, but honestly, this is the best one. And you pour with your heart, everybody. We're gonna be feasting all day today, and I'm so excited because later I will show you Angelina's birthday present that we got her. Our entire family chipped in and got her, for her birthday, an automatic mahjong table. And we played for the first time yesterday, and it was absolutely insane. I will show you her surprise video in the next clip, but let me just tell you, we had no idea where my sister hid the mahjong table, and so I actually lead her to the wrong place. But yeah, I will show you the surprise video now, and then I'll show you the table when we go play it.
Flashback.
Why are you recording? That's obvious! Go look at your lighting! Why? Why is it so loud you're recording like that? What's wrong with that recording? What is this? For flour. What does it say?
You never know what you may find when you do a load of laundry, or you might just automatically see something there.
It says there, it says D.
That's what I did.
Right? It says D, right?
Read it.
I did my load of laundry. I put my laundry in there already. I put my laundry in here already.
Oh, no. I don't see that.
Did you not put it in here?
No, I didn't put it in there. Go back to go fold your laundry.
You said that.
No, but she's folding her laundry. She don't see it.
Go back to my laundry's dirty. It's not done.
What's happening? What is
End of flashback.
We're gonna let it marinate. It's gonna marinate for about like 2 hours. We're gonna have this for lunch, but I'll cover this up, put it in the fridge, and I already chopped up everything else for the meal. This is sliced onion, green onion, jalapeno, and for the salt and pepper mix, it's 1 part salt, 1 part pepper, and 2 parts sugar. So we'll put that on top once we make it. So yeah, see you later when it's lunchtime. Okay,
No,
so
not
we're
just-
back.
Not those kind of chips.
And we're playing mahjong, and I'll show you guys how insane this table is. So I just won, and I press this blue button, and then we push everything in. Okay, everything's in. Push this button.
Wow!
That's
Roll the dice, roll the dice.
insane. And then to roll the dice, it's in here, and you press this button. Absolutely insane. Normally we would have to like shuffle all of these, and it takes like at least 5 minutes. And now it's like we're already starting our next game. Okay, it is currently
Is it ready?
almost 11:40, and it's pre-lunchtime. And Paul,
What do I do?
Bob, got nam nung, which is my favorite at Brodard's. So we're gonna have it with the delicious sauce and hot sauce combined. Han said don't eat the wrapper because who ate the wrapper? Claw. Claw. Our cousin ate the wrapper once.
It's still really
This
good.
is so good. It's so good because of the crispy egg roll. I think
It was still warm when he brought it. It was like an hour.
Nam nung. I don't think I stopped eating today. I think done stopped eating today.
Oh, we're for 12 o'clock to hit.
Okay, listen to this crunch.
You need like a mini
Not a microphone. Yeah, but did you hear the crunch? Did you hear the crunch? Leave a comment below.
Oops. I got a strawberry leaf in my sleeve.
Okay, next up, Jen got some duck eggs. Dad, what's it called in Vietnamese?
Happy holiday.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
What's it
Hộp
called?
vịt lộn, hộp vịt lộn.
Yes.
Họ đang quan tâm từng ngày là cái mức độ tới
Hơi già đây tên này.
ảnh hưởng như thế nào.
I know, I chose light.
My dad eats the ducks,
See?
and then we eat these eggs. How do you know where the top is, Dad?
See, you're not listening. Sit. Good boy.
This one.
Oh, you see the white
Point.
part?
This one. Flat. Flat this one. Don't put this one. This one point.
But it looks, both look pointy. Yes, which one is the top and which one is the bottom?
The bottom.
I see why.
Yeah, I see it too. This is the part that we eat. I've tried the duck part, and I can't eat it. It's too much. Salt, pepper, and lemon mix.
Già lắm à.
Nah, I picked too light.
No good.
Too light. Too light. I
Eggs?
didn't know.
Không có tiêu. Không có mắm.
The egg is good. I keep dropping it.
$2
Each? $2 each.
There used to be only what, 79 cents before that?
Even the egg's a little hard. My dad said if it's heavy, it's good. Heavy means it's young. Light means it's old. And Jen chose light ones.
Yeah, pick the mom ones.
Feels heavy.
Yeah, because that's water.
Feels heavy to me. Seems like we're eating a lot today. It's because we are.
I'm already on my third meal.
Yeah, I've already eaten so much today, but later we're gonna set up and have even more food. We can eat it, eat it, eat it. It's fine.
Bò ăn không?
Hả?
Bò ăn không?
Có.
Bò ăn.
My dad keeps calling Angelina's boyfriend Paul.
His name is not Paul no
Ball.
more. It's Ball for the rest of his life.
The story of Ba is, let me put you down.
Ở bên Australia.
Meat on
á,
the table.
Oh, in
hai con ở
Austria.
Việt Nam. Rồi nó cái con nó giờ dẫn về thăm cha mẹ con nó ở Việt Nam á. Rồi mình được hỏi ông này tên gì?
She brought her boyfriend home.
Nó nói con tên Paul.
Uh,
Bó.
The Vietnamese girl brought her Australian boyfriend home to meet her Vietnamese parents, and they thought his name was Bao. That's the story. Almost 2, and it's time for our lunch break. I made salt and pepper chicken wings. This is like pretty much the only thing I make for my family because I'm pretty good at making this one. Thanks to Nick Mama. Okay, here we go. Taste test.
Where is it? I can't get it.
Normally she does rice flour, but this time I added potato starch as well as rice flour, and I wanted to get an extra little crunch. It's actually pretty good. Yay. Eat, kids. I also tried this with shrimp, and it was pretty good. Is it salty? Jen's experienced a food coma because she's been eating non-stop.
It's my 6th meal.
She went from having 1 meal a day to literally having 6 meals so far since we've gotten home at 8.
Eggs and bacon, banh sandwiches.
Cheese, sandwiches.
Oh, not Badar spring rolls. Then I had blue egg.
Oh yeah, she ate all the blue eggs.
Then I had
Is it good?
the tasty boba. And now we've on to chicken.
I'm gonna go cook the rest of the chicken.
One entree later.
Okay, it's officially dinner time and we're getting ready for our Korean barbecue outside. I'll show you shortly. But real quick, I wanted to show you how to make my green onion salad. It's super, super easy. Chopped up romaine lettuce. And you put that in your bowl. Make sure you wash your hands. And then mixed with that, I shredded some green onions. Make sure you put in cold water so that it's like curly like this. It's my favorite, so good. Kang, my brother-in-law, taught me how to do this. Grab a bunch, put it mixed with your salad like that. And then for the dressing, this is the one I get. You can get at Zion. I think H Mart and all the Asian supermarkets have it. It's Kewpie's Raw Food Dressing Savory Soy. This one is bomb. This is what you need in order to make the salad taste good. I already have one that's open, so I'm gonna shake it. And then all you do is pour it in. Pour it in. And I just mix it up with chopsticks like that. And then if you feel like you want it super, super drenched, just pour more. I wanna rock with Jenny. But this is my green onion salad. I like to mix it with the romaine lettuce as well. Okay. I will show you the food outside. This is our dinner setup. We learned after smoking our entire house to bring it outside. Let me show you the goods. My father. We got the grills. We got some pork belly. What's that?
Beef ribeye. Marinated beef
Oh, the
ribeye.
galbi. Ribeye?
Yes.
Ribeye. Oh, chopche.
But he's just not gonna. You want daddy?
And all the fixins, some chicken wings over there. Oh, the green onion salad's over here.
Jesus Christ has risen today.
Hallelujah. Forgot to show you guys. Over here, we have galbi, which we need to put in another plate. Trying Patrick Starr's one size eyeliner. I tested it out at Sephora and the eyeliner stayed on for so long and now all day. It's been really nice. I might switch over from Kat Von D.
Somebody help him!
My dad likes this, so
Is it dead? I think there's a can right there behind you, bro.
also these flowers right here are my dad's brother's favorite flower, and he planted it, and then on his death anniversary they blossomed. Isn't that cool? His death anniversary is during this time, right? Yeah, it's during this time, and so it always blossoms, which is so sweet. Happy Easter!
I hope next year, the same time today, I have a good news from Dave.
Dave,
What's the good news, Dave?
what's the good news, Dave?
I think my dad always asks you for good news. He's always asking you good news, Dave. Like always. And they got blessed twice today.
And I I pray for him every night.
Dang!
What you praying
Dang,
for?
how much you? How you get that? I want that deal.
What you pray for, Dad?
My everybody.
Thanks everybody for the food.
Time to eat. I'm gonna eat so much pork belly. My dad's favorite. Oh, sorry, Dad. I'm gonna have pork belly, jalapeno, and garlic. Let's try my green onion salad.
I vote the name King though.
This is galbi. It's hot. It's hot.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. That's a good one. Happy birthday, dear Christine. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God! Come on, Canon, this is not here.
Are we blowing it?
Do the COVID. Not just kidding.
Just blow it. Will blow for us.
My 6 died.
This
Thanks everybody.
Hey, what you wish?
Hey, what'd you wish?
Quit my job.